In this video, we are going to be analysing AGFY. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we continue this upward momentum? So we can see obviously we are up 60% as we're recording this video. If we continue, and really the only level we're going to be focusing on to the upside is 148. So obviously very far from where we are now. And that is really what creates quite a concern on this stock is there is not really, at least if you're looking at standard deviations, there's not really too much trading levels to do until you get that further push. You can see, like we always say, the key psychological levels, so $1. This was already hit intraday. This was its intraday resistance. So really seeing that, we've pulled back. We may go for the retest and break through. And if so, if we got strong momentum, then we could be looking at the 145. But really, if we can't get to that 145, not something I'm really paying attention to. Now, if we break that and continue higher, we are paying attention to 280, 350, 570, 885, and 760 as those key levels. Now, you can see obviously these are very far off, and the reason for that is, you can see the stock went from nearly $9 down to 30 cents. When a stock sells off that reason, firstly, there's a few things to be worried of. There's a reason it sold off that much. Probably is going to be weak fundamentals, and fundamentals, as you should know, are going to be the key drivers of any stock. So if their fundamentals are weak, yes, you may be able to get the occasional scalp or day trading technicals, but really we usually want your technicals and fundamentals to line up. And again, I haven't done the fundamentals through AGFY, but I don't really need to see too much. If it's stock that's gone from $9 to 30, it's weak. Yes, there may be some news. I know you get it. People always comment, oh, they're having a buyout, or there's rumors of a buyout. If there's rumors of it, if you know about it, it's priced in. That's always the thing. And then as soon as the news comes out, or if it's confirmed, if it's a buyout and they're doing it at an exact share value, for example, if they were buying out AGFY at $1.50 a share, then obviously you will pump to that level. But in most cases, these rumors do come out as false. The rumor of it has most likely already been priced in. So really, not trading opportunities on news that's over a day old, really. The momentum will die from it. The rumor is now dead. And so really, you just want to be looking for other trading opportunities. And that's always the problem when you're trading these weaker stocks. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.